So you see, Cain, Cain is not the first killer in the human tree. It's the first serial killer, the first psychopath of the human tree. That's why it's well known in the past. It's not about the first human who kill another human. It's the first intelligently managed psychopath uh, killer in the human tree. Uh, that's why God asked him, "Where is Abel? Where is Abel? Nobody saw him. He didn't come home since 2 months. Where is he? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Change?" And en fait, to show, to study en fait the unacknowledged personality of Cain. Because Cain, is for 2 months the body of Abel was disappeared. And Cain was the first psychopath. En fait, he don't just killed a human and left the body. En fait, hidden the corpse, of Abel. Like the modern day NCIS criminology. Hidden the corpse for 2 months. Hidden like in modern day, like hide a body in the freezer, in the fridge. So the story of Cain and Abel is absolutely not the first murder of one human to another. Since Homo erectus or Homo sapiens, there is a lot of fight, and man kill man. But with Cain and Abel, according to the perspective of the monkey, the perspective of our human species, Cain is the first man who kill another man and think about the repercussion before after killing the man. So he hides the body very intelligently, very smartly. He develops the idea in his brain, to hide the body, for he dissociate his emotion, because it's Abel is his brother. So he hides the body of his brother for 2 months. He sleep with the lie that he killed his brother for 2 months. I don't know if you see what that means. He hides the body, quoi. He developed the idea that Adam will inspect. So it's a well-known story that has passed time, the record of time, because the Garden of Eden was extremely shocked after that, like crazy, extremely shocked. Say no human in the planet has ever thought about hiding a body before after you kill someone. The first N.C.I.S. Very advanced crime. And Voilà, c'est the first serial killer in our human species. This is a specific genotype, specific phenotype. It's not very, it's not, it's very mafia, you know. You disappear a body, you remove also the witness, you remove all the potential witnesses. It's not something we find. It's not common. It's very spider. It's very calculatory.